Hey you guys, it's your girl T. So I want to go ahead and shout out Rena Bean, honey. When I tell you Rena was one of the first ones to leave a comment on one of my videos, let me know that the state of Minnesota is straight up tripping, okay? So what's going on in the state of Minnesota is that the governor, Mark Dayton, he decided to make May 23rd officially Beyonce Day in Minnesota. Yes, he signed a proclamation into law that May 23rd is Beyonce Day. And this is causing so much controversy. Folks are really pissed off. This whole situation is just ridiculous. I want y'all to go ahead and check out this news clip. Check out what folks had to say on social media. And check out what folks from Minnesota had to say on Facebook. Check this out and I'm going to come back with the rest of my commentary.
There is only one Queen Bee. Happy Beyonce Day to all you Minnesotans. Yes, we are serious. Beyonce is performing in Minneapolis on Monday night, so naturally, Governor Mark Dayton and Lieutenant Governor Tina Smith declared May 23 Beyonce Day. They even signed a proclamation and tweeted about it.
Alright, so you guys just saw the news clip, you guys just read the comments. So a lot of folks been wanting to know my opinion about this because as you guys all know, I grew up in St. Paul, Minnesota, and at the high school, then I moved down south, but I also am always back and forth. So right now I'm in LA, but I'm also in Minnesota. I have a place there and I have a place in LA, okay? So anyhow, a lot of folks wanted to know my opinion about this, and when I initially heard about this, when Rena had posted it, I really thought it was an Onion article. I'm like, this has to be a joke. There's no way in hell that our governor in Minnesota would sit here and make a Beyonce Day, okay? First of all, whenever people hear that I'm from Minnesota, and I was raised in the Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul, the first thing people always ask me when they hear Minnesota or Minneapolis is, do you know Prince? That's the first question I always get. The second question I get from people, have you ever been to St. Olaf?
If I have to listen to one more story about the colorful people from St. Olaf, I think I'll explode.
And that's in reference to Rose Nyland on the Golden Girls. So people always want to know, have I ever been to St. Olaf? And honey, I don't even know if it exists in Minnesota. And if I was to go, that'd probably be the only black person in St. Olaf, okay? So I've never been to St. Olaf, you know what I mean? But I'm a huge Prince fan. Prince is the king of Minneapolis. How the hell Beyonce gets a day before Prince? I'm just totally disgusted. First of all, Beyonce only comes to Minnesota when she's on tour. He claims that he made it B-Day because she's a positive influence to young women and girls, and she has a really powerful message, okay? You know, and I don't deny that. I don't take anything from Beyonce. As you guys, I'm a Beyonce fan. I'm not a stan. I'm not a Beehive member, but I am a big fan of her music, okay? She does not deserve a day in Minneapolis. Beyonce needs to have a B-Day down in Houston, Texas, where she was born and raised. It makes no sense, and I feel like that's a slap in the face to Prince. I don't understand what the governor is thinking. You have a man who literally dedicated his entire life to putting Minneapolis on the map. Minnesota is a very, very cold place, honey. When I tell you folks move in and out of Minnesota all the time, and contrary to popular belief, there is a lot of black people in Minnesota, but a lot of folks, you know, once they get money, once they come up, they tend to leave Minnesota. And at any point in time, Prince could have left Minnesota and never looked back. He had enough money to live in LA full time or to go live in the Bahamas full time, but Prince mainly stayed in Minnesota full time. The only time that he was out of Minnesota is when he was out on tour. So Prince has put a lot into Minnesota's economy. economy by paying taxes and everything else. So how the hell do you give a day to Beyonce but not to the purple one? How the hell do you give Beyonce a day when she only comes to Minnesota during tours? None of her money really stimulates the Minnesota economy like Prince's money does, but yet and still Beyonce gets a day but not Prince. Where they do this at? Like I said before, I am a big fan of Beyonce, but I gotta keep it 100. I'm a bigger fan of Prince because Prince is from Minnesota. Prince put Minnesota on the map as far as the music scene, and Prince should have a Prince Day in Minnesota, not Beyonce. You know, the way everything is going down, it's starting to look a little bit attention whorish if you ask me, okay? So anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get the discussion popping. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this entire crazy situation, honey, coming from Minnesota. So anyways, let me know your thoughts on this. Do you feel like Beyonce deserves a day in Minnesota? There should be a Beyonce day? Or do you feel like the only person who deserves a day in Minnesota should be Prince and not Beyonce? And how do you feel about the governor even wasting time on something like this and declaring a Beyonce day? I mean, I just find the whole situation just damn ridiculous. So anyways, let's go ahead and get the discussion popping. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this entire crazy situation that's once again coming from Minnesota. All right, deuces. Hey you guys, it's your girl T. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos. You can also visit lovelyt.com to purchase any merchandise. Also, don't forget to click the boxes down below to watch any of my previous videos. Talk to y'all later. Deuces.